welcome back to BMW Fanatic. In this video, I'm going to share a great upgrade for you early March 2007 and earlier BMW 3 Series. Now, if you ever had the Carly app or if you had a remote coder, tried to code your halos as daytime running lights and only to come to find out that they weren't able to do that, it's because of your footwell module being that older style. So with you having the FRM1, a great upgrade for you is to upgrade to like an FRM2. Now what I have here is the FRM3, which I am going to be replacing in my BMW 335i. I show you the DIY and show you how to program that via my BMW brain. So pairing that with the bright white Lux V6 Angel Eyes that I've had in my car over 3 years now, it makes for the perfect look on a pre-LCI car. Because without having it coded on your BMW, you're gonna have to run the parking light option, which has the ambers on the side, and then that will illuminate your halo rings without your headlights being on. It doesn't look all the greatest because that's just the standard, it looks like you have your parking lights on. Having it coded as your daytime running lights are always on. You don't have to try to flip it on when you get in the car, because the last thing that you want to have happen is forget that you switch that onto the parking, go in somewhere for a couple hours and come out only to find out either your batteries died or that your halos have just burned out. It actually happened to me. I would always run that before I had it coded on my BMW, and I came out from a couple hours at work, came to start up in my car, noticed that I still left it on, and I had one of my right side Angel Eyes that were burnt out. It was a perfect opportunity to upgrade to the Lux V6 Angel Eyes. I'm gonna be doing the DIY on the footwell module 3 that I have on my BMW 335i, show you the step-by-step. All the programming is gonna be done by my BMW brain, and of course, getting this through fcpeuro.com. If you want to upgrade your footwell module, or you've been having issues with bulb check warnings, saying that lights are out but they're really truly not after you've been doing your checks and balances, or you've had a diagnostic tool like ISTA Plus or the Bavarian Technic scan tool and then had that determined to be your footwell module is broken, fcpeuro.com, direct link in the description box below. Great time to upgrade, guys. Especially with all the lighting features that they have and a lot of other cool stuff that comes onto it. They do fail. They are failing more often than anything. If you want to see any of my videos as far as what my car was doing, and maybe you can relate to that, then I'll post that up to the top. I've been having the issue for quite some time now. It's very sporadic. Look forward to that DIY coming here this weekend. Well guys, thanks for stopping in, and as always, please be sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment below. See you soon.